recording them coding. You're all stuck with me for a while. No electronics, no VCR. I'm in game dev mode. I got time and I got shit to do, so you're all gonna hang out with me. Sorry. And I'm probably gonna get pinged out of the music because I'm not doing my license stuff, but oh well. Alright, so we're working on this damn rocket. So I'm gonna shut up and work on this because you're all stuck with me. Wait, am I offline? Hell, am I offline? Am I actually online or is Twitch telling me I'm on? Hang on. Hey, I'm live. That's really weird. Hang on. Oh, don't be like that. I guess I am. Alright. Twitch lies. I'll just deal with it. Alright. Working on the rocket trail. Let's get this thing working. Bugs and bugs. Lots and lots of video game bugs. So I guess I got no Twitch stats. Is the chat working? Alright, are you making it to the function? Let's see. Alright, it ran. Oh, where's bullet tracker? Oh, that's not the right one. That's the one I want. There we go. Okay. There it is. Okay. Probably should have brought a coffee before I started this. Oh, that's right, it's got a child. That'll do it. Okay, so I need the child, alright. Alright, so I need smoke. That's what I need. So we gotta make a new one. object. Transform. Find. And then I got smoke. Smoke. Are you smoking yet? And then game object, get component, particle system. There we go. Seek and ye shall find. Let's see if this damn thing finds it. Oh, now it's showing viewers. Okay. I don't know if I was alive before that or not, but there's a time I would have asked. Yeah, I know. Come on, Feral Sink, fix that. That's so annoying. Give me some smoke, Rocket. Give me some smoke. Alright. Rocket Trail smoke. See if it finds it. There's Trail. Ah, you rat bastard. You didn't find it. And you crashed on me. I need to find instance of object. Alright, so it didn't find it. Why didn't you find it? Object. Transform, find, smoke. Because it's trail smoke, that's why. Trail, I think it's backslash. No, forward. It's been a while since I've used that one. Run it again. Yeah, I know. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. I gotta restart the server. Server no likey. Alright, duder, refresh. Gotta say, I'm kind of digging this switch up of music. I don't play drum and bass every time because I'm like that obsessed with drum and bass. It's because it's all I'm licensed to use, and I leave all the stuff up post content because we don't like do subscribers or like, you know, don't require to subscribe to see the reruns. We don't even take donations. So I let it play after forever. But if I leave anything in there that's not licensed, they yank the volume. They yank the audio out of it, which sort of sucks. So gotta switch it up. Although that being said, this stuff's probably all from vinyl. It's probably people have been dead for over 100 years. Alright, bullet tracker. Yeah! Alright, it found the smoke. Now let's see if it's got some smoke on the trail. See if I fix this finally. It did a little bit. A little puff. Alright, so we can test this, at least we're live. Rocket. Hey, where'd you go? There you go. it not looping or something? Yeah, it's looping. Yeah, it's going. Hey, it looks like the warp noise finally started working. That's a start. So why the single puff, buddy? There's the transformer. Yeah, it's moving. That's weird. How do I play all children? It's been a while since I've done that. Alright, so it's finding the particle system. Is it like play with children? Let's try it from the top down. Maybe that'll do it. I think the clone's out of sync. Yeah, let me reopen it. Oh dear. I hate network transform based bullets. I just realized I forgot to update the stream name. So it's probably going to talk about VCRs and stuff. Forget about it. Nothing. That's really interesting because I know it works on single player. Come on, Rocket, don't do me dirty, man. I just want a trail. That's all I want. Just a nice little smoke trail. Maybe the duration's off. No, that's not it. Lifetime. Is it really that one thing? It was. My god. Alright, so let's set it for 20. Maybe that ought to do it. Getting a little couple specs here and there. So let's do 3. Set it to like 40 over time. Yeesh. Sure, why not? Let's do 100. Oh, you bastard. 1,000. Sure, why not? Let's crash the whole thing. A little better. It's not the movement. Oh, why you do me dirty? Particle system, why you do me dirty? Hot in here, God. Has this got something to do with the network transform? I think it does, now that I think about it. So the network transform isn't actually moving it, it's just setting the position. That would make sense why it was just a little gray speck. But no, it generated some when it moved, didn't it? So it's definitely moving. So it's a bit of a trade-off. If I do it locally and remove the network transform, the bullets on the client side won't reflect exactly where it is on the server. So you'll start getting collisions on the server that are slightly off on the client that detonate. So you on your side you get a rocket and a rocket like goes and the dude's like right there and then it's like and it takes it as a hit. See how it's just a little white speck and it's not moving? Oh, this is going to be a nightmare to fix. It's a bit of a trade-off because you're giving off accuracy for presentation. See how it doesn't move? Alright, we're going to have to do some serious hacks to get this to work. Got network transform. Oh, it moves on the server only and it syncs up, so it's not moving on the client. The position is being set. Okay, that makes sense. So it doesn't matter how many you fill in, it's still dot 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 because it's being interpolated. How are we gonna fix this? And this goes to show, just in any sort of change can have a massive knockoff, and you're always constantly fighting that battle between presentation and accuracy. Because if I change this around the other way, I bet it starts working. See this done locally? I bet it does actually count the movement, watch. Maybe it'll count that one. Although the server hasn't been notified, it's still doing its thing. So network transform movement isn't true movement. This is gonna be a tough one. Because it's not going A, it's going A to B to C to D, not A, B, C, D. This is gonna be fun. I'm not giving up that network transform. It was just way too difficult to use when it was even just like slightly off. Plus then I have to add code to move it by hand, and then it just adds a whole bunch of headache that I don't want to do. Oh, I'm starting to get hungry too. See, server authoritative. See, see, even they said so. See, it's taking snapshots as it goes. A to B to C, so it's dot, 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 dot. Each of those dots you see is a network check-in, checkpoint. So it's buffering. And that's why when I moved it by hand, it worked. Alright. I could write a script and move the trail, but then you open up yourself to the trail coming off of the actual rocket. So you're gonna have like the rocket here and the trail back here, and oh god, I just don't want to do that through code. Well, that was a little bit better. Alright, first of all, let's fix this emission time, because that's way off. See? That's what I need. Transform. Alright. I think that did it. I think that might do it. Because we don't care about the rigid body. It's not being moved locally. And the place where it is moving locally on the server doesn't really care about smoke. It's got nothing to do with the game. It's got no colliders. It's got no role outside of just aesthetics. Alright, let's try this again. I think this might work. That makes sense why I didn't do it, because if there's no rigid body force, because that's happening on the server side, then there's no movement. Ooh, I think we might have got it. Come on, Babaluga. Don't do me wrong. Gotta fix this before I forget. Sorry, got a self plug. I know. There. Oh, come on. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's worse. Could just be the rate. Ah, see? Alright, I think it's just a rate. Set that for like 500. So let's go 200 over a short distance. Maybe that'll fill the little dots in between. Ah, look, see? I told you I knew what I was talking about. I don't just fix VCRs. I know. Uh-oh, it's back. Why are you back? That was weird. Boom. You get the noise, fades off, and it comes back. Alright, so that's on the reset. We can fix that. That's okay. Alright, so here's what you do whenever you're in edit mode to save yourself a shitload of headache. Can't copy that one, so let's take a screenshot. What did we do? 200, 300. I'm old. Leave me alone. I use screenshots still. You got a finite memory, like a goldfish. You work with what you got. Okay, so let's jump over to the server. I knew that's what it was. Alright, so we're gonna do like 100 over like 30. That should be more than enough. We're gonna turn off play on awake. Where's play on awake? Alright, so that's off. Alright, so we just need to make sure we turn it off before we... I guess we could do it as part of the collision. Alright, so we could deal with it on collision or timeout. Yeah, that should work. Oh, that was weird. still got bedhead. I think all of my Twitch viewers are late nighters. Like literally all of them. That's hilarious. Some night owls. I don't think I ever streamed this early. Like ever. Like I can't even remember the last time I was streaming US hours this time. But it's only 2 p.m. here. There we go. So we need to fill in the dots a little bit. See how it's still down there running? Okay, so there's the play. So now we need to deal with it. Lower. Contains package. So I don't really need that Boolean anymore since it's got no children. About time you picked up the changes. God. I need to update that thumbnail. It's like 2 years old. Alright, hold on to your butt. Sorry. Get somewhere out in the open. I think that worked. I have to pause it mid-run just to make sure. Alright, so are you active? So you're still active. Alright, so we'll just do it when it explodes. Save ourselves having to go through every single case that it could explode. So here's what we're gonna do. Wait, rocket explosion. So we need it when it's just this one. Right there. We don't need this delimiter here. That can go, that can go, and that can go. And we've already done the check as well. So we actually don't even need the if statement. Still got some spots in there though. See the gap? Almost there. Which is fine. We could just bump up the particle emission rate just a little bit. I think this will do it. I slept like 13 hours last night. It was amazing. I feel like $1 million today. I forgot any other stuff we need to fix. Alright. So what's happening? There's a bit of a gap in between when it triggers and when it disables. See that last little bit? That gap is the amount of network latency between the server and the client. They're both co-located on the same machine. This goes to show you how sensitive network latency can be between server and client. All right. How are we getting these other two go active? Oh, because it's being moved from outside to inside. Okay. So let's put a delay on that, just like a 1 second delay. So rather than just stopping it, we're gonna put a delay. And then we'll just invoke it. So that can go. And then instead of just running it, we're gonna do an invoke just like above. So we'll do invoke, and then what was it? Network smoke delay disable. Let's put like a 1 second delay in that. And maybe let's go like 1.5. Some of the clients further away may not get the message in time. Worst case scenario, it'll hang out for just a second before it goes poof and disappears. We might have to put an invoke on the enable as well so you don't get that dotted line where it's getting spawned to. Bearing in mind, this is all aesthetic stuff. This is why network game development takes so long to release anything on. And if you compare mine against some like heavy hitters, right? Like compare mine against like Grand Theft Auto or like, World of Warcraft or something, like it was something that's like much more complex. It just you can see why it ends up having whole teams working like a decade to work these things out. Because I mean, really, we have movement, we have fire, we have jump, dodge, and then the states, stunned and nailed, and that's it. That's all that's in this game. Although we do want to add melee damage eventually, like I think we're gonna add a baseball bat maybe, and then maybe we're looking at ducking. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so let's see if this gets better. Ah, see, and there's that one hung out for just a second, but that's okay. We can nudge that. Looking pretty good. Alrighty. Alright, so we're gonna put this one on invoke as well. So we'll make a new one. Eternal void. We'll do. What did we call the last one? Okay. Alright, so we'll call this one network smoke delay enable. Get rid of the play here, so it's not happening immediately. And we're gonna invoke it. Set it to like 1.5. Ooh. 351. It's 351. Are you happy now? He's happy. Alright. Code's happy and I'm happy. Pretty sure my son's gonna be rolling through here any minute. Alright, so get a big open space. That took too long. See? Alright, so we need to chop that down to like half a millisecond. Or sorry, a half a second maybe. Actually, you know what? Rule of thirds never does. The rule of thirds never does me wrong. So let's try a third. There's a reason why it's called perfect thirds in music. Might even need to be just like 1 millisecond, just enough to get it over where it needs to be. I can't help listen to this and not think of Pineapple Express in that opening scene where he's like, and he's like doing the mouth trumpet. That shit is hilarious. Alright, we should get smoke and then no smoke at the end. There's the smoke. Getting there. It's just like a sort of a split second. There's a gap right at the beginning, so I think we are gonna have to make it like 1 millisecond. Although I don't really need to restart the server to fix this part. We'll do like 0.15 milliseconds. That should close the gap now. There we go, that's better. Much better. The only time you notice is if you self-detonate really quickly after, like, started a bit early. See what I mean? That bit at the back right there. Oh, I still got the old one in there. That's way too much. We're most of the way there. It really is only noticeable if you fire 2 back to back. But I don't really think it's gonna matter because I gotta add more to the list anyway. Because you get 2 like that. Watch what happens on the 3rd one. You'll get a dud. Watch. If you can fire them fast enough before the next one kicks in, watch. It'll be like empty. See, there was no rocket on the front of that one. But all intents and purposes, it's mostly fixed. Alright, I'm hungry and I got some stuff I gotta do. I'm gonna come back on in a little bit. I just want to do a little bit of game dev live since it's been so long. We'll come back. We gotta finish building this guy. Right there. It's still not working and I gotta build another bitty to CV box, so we'll come back later. Alright, bye y'all.